What is your take on what's going on right now?
Well, I look at it as, as a diversionary tactic, as I said, to let the people in the meantime forget about the ghost projects, about the flood control anomalies. So divert it to the secret decision, which there is no secret decision. The secret decision is just, yung bukang bibig lang ni Ombudsman Remulla. But I would advise Ombudsman Remulla, if you are listening, you work. Stop conducting press conferences almost every day because you will never know what is really happening in the office of the Ombudsman. Hindi mo alam ang proseso sa isang kaso. Kaya kung minsan nagmumukhang tanga yung Ombudsman. Kaya kung wala kang gagawin, press con ka naman press con, wala ka talaga malalaman sa Ombudsman. Now, why is it na sinasabi niya, bakit hindi alam na ibang grupo yung existence ng motion for reconsideration? Dahil yung ginagawa ko, hindi dapat malaman ni Atty. Trixie. Why? Baka pag nalaman ni Atty. Trixie, ibenta yung ginagawa ko. All Atty. Trixie has to do, if my recommendation is favorable to the respondent, look for the respondent and tell the respondent, gusto mo manalo sa kaso mo? Bigay ka lang ng 20 million. It happened several times. Bigay ka lang 20 million, ako nang bahala kay Ombudsman. Bigay ka 20 million, wala namang kaalam-alam yung Ombudsman. Ang delikado lang doon, which happened in one case, ni-reverse ng Ombudsman yung recommendation ng investigating officer, yung findings. So medyo may nagbalik ng 25 million doon sa kasong yon. This is a case somewhere in Batangas, Yun ang nakakatakot doon. So hindi po pwedeng sasabihin mo yung ginagawa mo Otherwise, mabubukulan ka.
It is very clear that under our Constitution and the Ombudsman Act, the Ombudsman has no jurisdiction over members of Congress. You may not like that rule, but that's the rule in our Constitution. That members of Congress can only be questioned in the Senate or in the House.